So today I have a very special exercise that I did. Well, you'll see the full detail. You know, a close family friend of ours, Auntie Cherry, you know, my spiritual mother, you understand, traveling from Orlando to Miami. And of course, she had to stop in the middle where we live. And so decided to make her a nice little lunch and prepare it and meet her on the highway and give it to her. Yes, guys, I had some, you know, some stuff that I had to do. So I'm gonna just show her what I do quickly, and of course, you know, try to get a reaction from her. She don't know that I'm doing this. I tell her to meet me on the highway. So I'm currently heading towards her now on the highway. I'm gonna meet her at a rest stop close to us, and of course, just for a link up, and she's gonna get her lunch. All right, the lunch today is a fish sandwich with one of them what you call them, artisan ginger beer, you know, drink that I bought. So, yeah, something nice, but you know, I'm carrying her along for the ride, and of course hopefully we can catch our reaction for you guys. All right, big up on yourself, and look how I make my sandwich in a few. All right, keep it locked. So guys, these are codfish fingers that I had in my freezer. Pick them up at the store all the time. I'm pairing them with some Cuban bread rolls and making this awesome fish sandwich. The first thing you want to do is add a little bit of mayo to your bread, and then you bake your fish fingers to, you know, they're done, and then you add them. I'm piling them on to make sure that the sandwich is rich and nice. Very quick and easy sandwich, guys. I promise you, you can make this in your neck of the woods, and it is quite inexpensive as well. After which I wanted to add some pickles, and so I went ahead and add some dill pickles. You can add your favorite type of pickles. Pickles really work. That nice vinegary vibe works. After the pickles, I had to jump on to my heirloom tomatoes that I had growing in the backyard, and so I added some tomatoes. You can skip the tomatoes if you don't want the sandwich to be too soggy. As I said before, I kept in touch with Auntie Cherry to know how close she was to me, so I made the sandwich like to order, so it was okay. Then I had already gone ahead and made some coleslaw, and of course I have tons of recipe on coleslaw, and I added some coleslaw. The reason why I love the Cuban bread is because even if the insides of the Cuban bread gets a little bit soft or soggy, the outside still retain its shape, and so the sandwich won't fall apart. And so I added some of my pickles, and then we're ready. Yeah, sandwich ready. I just wrapped it in some aluminum foil, and I should be on my way. Yeah, she is approximately 10 minutes away, and the rest stop is approximately 12 minutes away. So we're good to go. Let's get it done. I'm gonna pack a little bag with a lot of other little stuff, and make a nice little care package and set it up. Yeah, we're ready. Come, let's go. So we're about to enter on the highway now. Yeah, and there is a rest stop just up the road from me. So that is it. See the lunch there. Make sure I say the lunch in one nice, you know, bag and thing. And of course, me also put a couple tomato in there from my garden. Yeah. And so we're heading towards the rest stop now. So I'm going to go up on the highway right over there and head north. It's funny because I'm dead smack in the middle of two exits. And so I have to drive either south to one exit or north to one exit. And the rest stop is also smack in the middle of those two exits. So if I enter from north, I have to go south to the rest stop, and if I enter from south, I have to go north to the rest stop. Is that crazy? So I head up there now, and yeah, I feel like I should do more surprises like this for my friends who are traveling to and fro on the highway. Yeah, let me know if I not travel on the highway. I say I can stop and get lunch. So it goes, something like that. Let's see. So here goes rest stop. You have to go up on the left because the rest stop is just up the road here. So here is the rest stop now. So I have to go up to the gas station side and yeah, get it done. We have to get it done. Gas station side. Let's see. RV park over there, so fuel up here, so yeah man, let's go. Here we go. Aim, open this. Me have you on camera to make the people know that I brought you lunch.
Wow, in a nice. Whoa! You know this on me.
Yes, ginger beer.
Ginger. What?
Me bring a tomato from my garden.
Are you kidding?
Yes, tomato from my garden, ma'am. And I brought you a sandwich.
Beautifully packaged. Let me turn that off. Like, I hope me to know your father now, no biggie. Whoa! Father bless
Fish
it
sandwich.
in the name of Jesus.
I never want it too soggy, you know, so I make it last minute. Watch it a drink.
It's fine, that means it juicy.
The coleslaw.
Father, just bless it right now in the mighty name of Jesus.
You know, say you need to stop.
The flavor. I want everything coming out of my mouth.
Me I go run. The guys, she loved our sandwich, yeah, and I feel good about it. Yeah, that's my Auntie Cherry, and that was a nice little fish sandwich. As I said before, you saw how I made it, and yeah, you can just turn it on to make fashion, you know, make a little thing happen and make everybody comfortable, make everybody happy. That's how the thing said. You see who else me can draw up at the yard to get a sandwich to, cause that's how the thing set, you know. You have a little thing. As I said, these are fish fingers that you know, ever so often I see them in the store, I just grab them and put them in the fridge. You know, make sure say I have something. Always make sure say I have something. Things rough. By the way, do you guys see how food prices are slowly going up in the stores? Did you notice it? Food prices are going up. We have to start on and make fashion. We have to start, you know, whatever we can get, whatever it is that we can store. I'm not saying hoard, but I'm saying store. We have to start, you know, because food prices are going up. It's not no longer. I mean, two meals nowadays. Average meals is running you $30. 2 average meals is running you $30. If you go to the store with $20, you hardly can get anything with that $20. So yeah, we have to start think wise and think practical, because I promise you, food prices are going through the roof. You understand? So as I said, when I see them little stuff and them on special or any little thing in the store, I make sure I get them. Yes, sir. I said capitalize on the buy one get one freeze. You know, capitalize on them thing there and make sure so we get them, because it's crazy, man. It's crazy out there. So with that being said, guys, you know, big up on yourself once again. Thank you for joining me on this little vlog, this little thing, you know. And of course, keep subscribing, keep locked into Yardie Belly TV. So the thing said, you understand? Enough manners, enough respect. A peace in the Middle East. Remember me tell you.